Morning. So it's just 10 to 6 in the morning. We're here on the way to the airport.
Right, so it's 20 past 6 now and I'm getting ready, going down to the gate now and flying to Milan. So this Italian bands, they're called Birkin Tree, and they're all Italian men. They play Irish music and they bring me over to dance and play with them a few times a year, and I freaking love it. So I was coming through security there and the lady at the security desk was like, "What is that?" Happens every time. It's a concertina, it's like an accordion. So we just arrived at our venue for tonight. It's a small little folk club here in Torino. And there's the stage. We're setting up for sound.
Sì, perché se stai in piedi non è un problema, cioè, se eri seduto sì. Anzi, mi taglia le gambe forse.
Good morning, everyone. Bit wrecked here now because we had to get up at 6:30 this morning to drive 2 hours here to Milan. So the reason we had to be up so early is because the gig is starting at 11 a.m. I don't know who goes to gigs at that hour. That's time for mass. This is the entrance onto the stage. Sound man. Sound checks. Just started the first set of the concert, and I just go out at the very end of it and I jump around the place. I just did a couple of dances and it's so warm on the stage. I'm sweating buckets. They obviously have the heat turned up max for all the ones coming here instead of going to mass.
Va bene.
Fantastic!
Io faccio 10 canzoni mie e non prendo un euro. Se
Ma perché?
Se faccio il concerto no. Perché è così? Perché
è una cosa assurda.
No, non è una cosa assurda, perché